In this video, we listed the 5 best circular saw on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. mm 1011 Circular Saw. The showcased product is a powerful battery-operated reciprocating saw featuring a robust 15-amp motor capable of cutting through boards up to 12 inches wide and 3.5 inches thick. It allows for versatility in cutting angles with 45-degree miter and bevel adjustments, supported by 9 miter stops, and is equipped with an onboard Class 2 laser guide for precise cutting. This saw boasts impressive capacities for crown molding and baseboards, accommodating sizes of 7.5 inches and 6.75 inches respectively. The package includes a 10-inch carbide-tipped blade, table extensions, a clamp assembly, and a dust bag, with an enticing 2-year warranty for added reassurance. Priced at US $229.63, the product is available through the Keep Healthy Stores store, although shipping might be restricted to certain locations, such as excluding addresses in Bangladesh. Additionally, security measures are in place to protect user privacy, ensuring safe payment transactions. Number 2. ALLSOME Electric Circular Saw. The ALLSOME Electric Circular Saw is a versatile, battery-powered tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, capable of cutting a variety of materials including solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, and ceramic tiles. With a compact design and weighing only 2.3 kilograms, this circular saw features a 125mm blade diameter and provides a maximum cutting depth of 40mm at a no-load speed of 10,000 RPM. The adjustable bevel cutting angle from 0 degrees to 45 degrees allows for multi-angle cutting, while the solid metal guide plate ensures consistent cutting depth. Its ergonomic design includes a soft rubber handle for comfortable operation, minimizing hand fatigue, and a semicircular protective cover for enhanced safety against dust and debris. Sold without the battery, the saw is compatible with Makita 18V batteries and is offered at a competitive price, appealing to those looking for a reliable and efficient cutting tool for various applications. Number 3. PATUOPRO 5-inch Circular Saw. The PATUOPRO 5-inch brushless cordless circular saw is a versatile and high-performance tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Weighing 2 kilograms, this compact saw offers a maximum cutting depth of 42mm and operates at a no-load speed of 6,800 RPM, making it capable of effortlessly slicing through various materials, especially wood. It features a high-performance brushless motor for stable power output and longer runtime, enhancing its durability. The saw allows for one-handed operation, adjustable cutting depth, and angles up to 45 degrees for intricate cuts. Safety is prioritized with a switch lock to prevent accidental operation and a built-in LED light for visibility in darker settings. This tool is compatible with a range of 18V lithium batteries, though the battery is not included with the purchase. Ideal for various cutting tasks, the PATUOPRO circular saw combines convenience, efficiency, and safety for an exceptional user experience. Number 4. Yofidra 7-inch Circular Saw. The Yofidra 7-inch brushless circular saw is a versatile and efficient power tool designed for home DIY projects and woodworking applications. Powered by an 18V lithium battery, it boasts a maximum cutting depth of 45.5mm at a 90-degree angle and 35.5mm at a 45-degree angle, making it suitable for various materials including solid wood, PVC, and ceramic tiles. With a no-load speed of 10,800 RPM and a durable 160mm blade featuring 40 teeth, this circular saw is engineered for precision and longevity. The brushless motor enhances performance and extends the tool's lifespan, while the adjustable bevel cutting angle from 0 degrees to 45 degrees allows for multi-angle cutting. Additional features include a solid metal guide plate for consistent cutting depth, a comfortable soft rubber handle for better control, and safety mechanisms like a manual control switch and lock button. The saw is available in different package options, including those with or without batteries, and is CE certified, ensuring compliance with safety standards. Number 5. Yofidra 5-inch circular saw. The Yofidra 5-inch brushless cordless electric circular saw is a versatile and efficient power tool designed for wood-cutting applications, compatible with Makita 18V batteries. With a brushless motor, this circular saw boasts a maximum no-load speed of 10,800 RPM and an adjustable cutting angle ranging from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, allowing for precise and varied cuts. Its 125mm, 5-inch, blade can achieve a cutting depth of up to 45mm, making it suitable for a variety of materials, including solid wood, PVC, and ceramic tiles. The saw features a solid metal guide plate for consistent cutting depth, a soft rubber handle for comfort, and a semicircular protective cover for safety. Available in multiple package options, including configurations with or without batteries, this lightweight tool is designed for one-handed operation, reducing user fatigue. The product is CE certified and originates from mainland China, ensuring quality and compliance with safety standards.